Are you ready to have your mind blown? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind one of the most captivating phenomena, optical illusions. Prepare to question your perception of reality as we explore the mind-bending world of visual tricks. Join us as we delve into the science behind optical illusions and discover the fascinating ways our brains can be deceived. Welcome, curious minds, to our exploration of the science behind optical illusions. Have you ever found yourself questioning what you see, as if reality itself is playing tricks on you? Well, you're not alone. Optical illusions have been captivating humans for centuries, and today, we're going to dive deep into the science that explains these mind-boggling phenomena. Segment 1. The illusion of perception. Our perception of the world is a complex process shaped by our brain's interpretation of visual stimuli. In this segment, we'll dive into the captivating realm of visual perception and unravel the fascinating mechanisms that underlie our interpretation of reality. Join us as we explore how our brains make assumptions, fill in missing details, and sometimes misinterpret what we see, leading to the creation of intriguing optical illusions. Discover the incredible power of our visual system as we unravel the intricacies of how our brains construct our perception of the world. We'll delve into the concepts of selective attention and top-down processing, understanding how these factors influence what we notice and how we interpret visual information. Prepare to be amazed by the tricks our brains play on us and gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity of perception. Segment 2. Types of optical illusions. Now that we have a solid understanding of visual perception, let's embark on a journey through the mesmerizing world of optical illusions. Optical illusions come in various forms, each challenging our understanding of reality in its unique way. In this segment, we'll explore some of the most intriguing types of optical illusions, expanding our minds and questioning our perception. We'll encounter ambiguous figures, where our brains struggle to determine the true nature of an image. These illusions exploit the inherent ambiguity in certain visual stimuli, leading to multiple possible interpretations. We'll also venture into the realm of impossible objects, where the laws of physics seem to bend and defy logic. Prepare to have your mind boggled as we unlock the secrets behind illusions like the Penrose triangle and the impossible triangle, defying our expectations and leaving us in awe of the wonders of visual perception. Segment 3. Perception versus reality. In this segment, we'll embark on a captivating exploration of the delicate balance between what we see and what actually exists in reality. Our brains employ a set of principles known as Gestalt principles to organize and interpret visual information. These principles allow us to perceive meaningful patterns and structures, but they can also be cleverly manipulated to create powerful optical illusions that challenge our perception of reality. Get ready to question your senses as we reveal the hidden tricks behind illusions like the Kniza triangle and the famous Rubens vase. We'll unravel how these illusions exploit the principles of closure, figure-ground relationship, and other Gestalt principles to create perceptual experiences that defy our expectations. Prepare to have your mind twisted and your perception tested as we explore the fascinating interplay between perception and reality. Segment 4. The Neuroscience of Illusions. Now, let's take a deep dive into the intricate science behind optical illusions. Our perception of illusions is not merely a result of visual trickery but also stems from the underlying neural processes in our brains. In this segment, we'll unravel the mysteries of neuroscience to understand how our brains create and perceive optical illusions. We'll explore the remarkable role of neurons and neural pathways in shaping our perception of visual stimuli. Discover how our brains interpret conflicting information, reconcile discrepancies, and construct a coherent perceptual experience. We'll delve into the specific brain regions involved in processing optical illusions, such as the primary visual cortex, the parietal lobe, and the prefrontal cortex. By understanding the neural mechanisms at play, we gain insights into the fascinating ways our brains interpret and make sense of the visual world. Segment 5. The Psychology of Perception. In this final segment, we'll explore the intriguing psychological aspects that contribute to our perception of optical illusions. Perception is not solely determined by the physical properties of the visual stimuli but is also influenced by cognitive biases, cultural factors, and individual differences. Join us as we uncover the psychological mechanisms behind our susceptibility to visual tricks. We'll delve into the concept of cognitive biases and how they can lead us to perceive optical illusions in certain ways. Explore the fascinating phenomenon of inattentional blindness, where our attentional focus can cause us to overlook significant details and fall victim to illusions. We'll also delve into the impact of cultural and contextual factors on our perception, highlighting how our cultural backgrounds and environmental cues can shape the way we interpret visual stimuli. Through engaging experiments and thought-provoking studies, we'll unravel the intricate relationship between psychology and optical illusions. From the influential work of psychologists such as Hermann von Helmholtz and Richard Gregory to contemporary research exploring the cognitive mechanisms involved, we'll gain a deeper understanding of why our brains are prone to being tricked by these captivating illusions. As we conclude our exploration of the science behind optical illusions, we hope you've gained a new appreciation for the complexities of perception and the captivating interplay between our minds and the visual world. Optical illusions continue to challenge our understanding of reality and remind us of the intricate processes occurring within our brains. So, the next time you encounter an optical illusion, take a moment to embrace the wonder of perception and the amazing ways in which our brains navigate the visual landscape. Conclusion. As we come to the end of our exploration of the science behind optical illusions, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of these captivating phenomena. Optical illusions remind us that our perception of reality is not always as reliable as we think. They challenge the way our brains interpret visual information and offer a glimpse into the complex workings of our minds. We've uncovered the different types of optical illusions, from ambiguous figures to impossible objects, and explored the intricate relationship between perception and reality. We've delved into the neuroscience behind illusions, discovering how our brains process and interpret conflicting visual cues. Additionally, we've touched upon the psychological aspects of optical illusions, exploring cognitive biases and contextual factors that influence our perception. But remember, optical illusions aren't just mind-bending curiosities. They have practical applications too. Understanding how optical illusions work can help designers create more effective visual communication, and researchers use illusions to study the mechanisms of perception and cognition. So, the next time you come across an optical illusion, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating science behind it. Challenge your perception, question what you see, and marvel at the incredible complexity of the human brain. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the science behind optical illusions. We hope you've enjoyed exploring these mind-boggling phenomena as much as we have. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more captivating content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And as always, leave your comments and share your thoughts on the intriguing world of optical illusions. Remember, the science behind optical illusions is a constant reminder that our perception of reality is not always as straightforward as it seems. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep embracing the wonders of our complex visual perception. Until next time, keep your eyes open, your mind curious, and your perception ready to be challenged.